TLC, or Terra Classic, is a digital currency. Is there a chance that this one will ever be worth $1? Click the thumbs up button on this video if you agree that this is a real possibility. In this video, I'll explain why the next 9 days are so important for Terra Classic, a cryptocurrency I'm really bullish on. There will soon be several significant triggers. Let's speak it out till the pain subsides. This conversation will cover the basics. We'll also examine the Terra Classic price chart, which shows that the stock is currently trading at a very positive level. If that is okay to you, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, let's watch this video. And right now, on the crypto bubbles, you can see that Terra Classic is having yet another successful day. So, another crypto bubble is up approximately 5.2%. And if we check at the Bitcoin price, how is the Bitcoin price doing? I've been telling you guys for a while now that a rise in Bitcoin's value is fantastic news for Terra Classic. And recently we saw that very thing happen. To that end, we support a healthy Bitcoin price. We'd want to see Bitcoin's price go up to at least $25,000, preferably $30,000. Get back up to $67,000 plus, and that will be a huge accomplishment. Where is the Terra Classic right now? By the way, this is shaping out nicely, folks. Accordingly, we are currently ranked 29 out of the top 30 digital currencies. But as you all here know, I'm still convinced that Terra Classic deserves to climb those ranks much higher than it currently does. In addition, mails on the Twitter front. I just read this piece by Edward Kim, where he debunks a ton of disinformation. Therefore, the possibility exists for the propagation of erroneous information. But as you can see, Edward Kim is lending a hand on the Terra board and isn't even being paid for it. His disagreement post was met with immediate approval from Roy Monday. This information will be recorded in the company's bylaws. One of the main reasons I have such a positive outlook on Terra Classic is because of people like Edward Kim. That's right, I'm an associate professor of computer science at Drexel. I think it's important to learn as much as you can about the people behind any crypto project you're considering investing in before you put any money into it. So, what are the group's abilities? Just how intelligent are they? Is there any strategy behind it? Achieving targets, how do they fare? That's the question you need to answer for yourself. I have faith in Edward Kim. He's a bright, brilliant guy, and the future seems bright. What is the underlying state of this cryptocurrency? So, our current market cap is almost $2.7 billion. Moreover, the price of Terra Classic saw a slight increase yesterday following a brief decline. Also, how do we see the current volume for this cryptocurrency? So the volume is decreasing somewhat. However, even with this decline, hundreds of millions of dollars are still crushing it in the crypto market. Binance's daily trading volume is $750 million. KuCoin's daily trading volume is $145 million. And many other cryptocurrency exchanges are also doing quite well. And once again, if you're interested in signing up for some crypto exchanges and trading some of the volatility, you can find some bonuses in the description of this video. Also, right now we're sort of zeroing on the 4 billion range for the burn if we look at the burn for Terra Classic, folks. So far, they've amassed an incredible $3.75 billion. The crazes are here. In the role of first token, we have Maxine. When the moon is involved, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is third. But why do I keep having this hunch that a storm is about to break out? So, all of this might be really significant within the next 9 days. The spot volume burn of Terra Classic is already underway, and many cryptocurrency exchanges have begun performing manual burns in preparation. And yet, you all know that in just 9 days, everything will alter. I'm referring to the 1.2% burn for Terra Classic, and it will be live as soon as possible. Some wild figures have come through, and this could be the start of an acceleration of those numbers at the top, allowing you to reach $3.75 billion. Keep in mind, then, what it is about this cryptocurrency that will cause its value to rise. The spot volume burn isn't the only factor if exchanges join in. Consequently, the spot volume burn may yet attract the attention of certain particularly significant cryptocurrency exchanges. For this reason, one can never tell. It's possible that Binance may make a public statement affirming their intention to take part in the burn. Incredibly interesting news is that I believe several of the other major cryptocurrency exchanges are behind the burn. Spot volume on centralized exchanges is one indicator, but you already know the other. This habitat is also being destroyed by the Terra Luna Classic fire. The ecosystem burn is actually very crucial to the long-term success of this coin, as I've been discussing with you guys. If I'm looking at Terra Luna Classic and hoping for a bullish situation in this coin, you can bet I won't be placing all my faith in Binance's ability to burn through large quantities of a classic cryptocurrency sphere tokens. More convincing evidence of the cryptocurrency's underlying strength would convince me to invest. To clarify, what do I mean by that? I hope to one day visit Terra Luna. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Litecoin are classic because of their underlying utility. Other cryptocurrencies will therefore exist alongside those already in circulation, such as the BNB coin, Ethereum, and your other major utility initiatives in the cryptocurrency market. And you also know what is going to actually drive the price up of a crypto. There's a need for it, it serves a purpose, it will last, and it will grow. Those are the major factors that provide real, lasting support. We can count on trading burns in the near term, but in the long run, if you're more of a utility play in cryptocurrencies, the major questions are things like, why do I want to build on this chain? Explain the chain's allure, please. There's also the fact that Terra Classic has this booming community at the moment, which is something that a lot of the other networks don't have. It seems to reason that programmers would prefer to work on a chain where there is already an enthusiastic community. As an added bonus, the chain is very intelligent, safe, and promising. And this is why my optimism for Terra Luna Classic remains unshaken. I think you'll agree with me that the current price chart for Terra Luna Classic is quite optimistic. There have been significant price hikes, especially for the channel's early customers like yourselves. And what exactly are we up to on the channel if you're interested in subscribing? This is how we're learning about cryptocurrencies while also pursuing financial independence. Also, Luna Classic is undoubtedly one of the most fascinating options available today. But you all can see how incredible Terra Luna Classic's rise has been thus far. And now, if we only glance, we can see the time frame and cost range. With that in mind, I continue to be optimistic about this new lunar expedition. In other words, the price has increased by 420% from its current level to its current level, excluding the all-time high for this in just over 19 days. This cryptocurrency's price rose to about $6,000, which is a new all-time high. We were so close to the 6,000 mark, you guys. The price almost reached $6,000, an all-time high. Even so, I'd want to see us succeed in our quest to reach 6,000. I find that to be a particularly salient observation. We've also covered the analogy to Dogecoin. We therefore reached 8.5 billion as a possible medium-term goal for Terra